So today the boys and I did these adorable little Christmas tree ornaments that have our list to Santa on them. They're called Letters to Santa. It was about $20 at Target and it was so much fun. All they had to do was write on full-size paper what they wanted, and we shrunk it down to ornament size in the oven at 325 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. And tonight, Jack and Jingle will take them to Santa and bring them back tomorrow so we can put them on our Christmas tree. Hope you guys enjoy. Good job coloring in your Batman.
No, he's not putting it on the ears.
It's okay. Tell him to do it.
Put it on the ears.
Good job, Land.
No, it's not I. No.
We're writing our letters to Santa.
No.
No. Good job making a space with your finger. PJ Masks. Mask. Good job, PJ Masks. Santa.
Santa.